naman siya, in fairness. Kaya lang, lots of bato everywhere. How can you do swimming? Pero ang dami pa rin nagsiswim. No. See? Yung wave nandun sa gitna. Ayun o. Holy shell. Low tide is over. High tide is coming to town. The Cubos. With the algae. Nice. Nice naman siya kaayo. Kaya lang mabato talaga. Very crystal clear yung dagat. Pero mabato. It's bato everywhere because it's low tide. And we have lots of catch. Look! There's a sea cucumber. The fish is hiding na. Look at that. So nice. Are you enjoying your beach stay? Your beach experience? Look how...
Umuwan.
Umuuwan. Bisaya na nga akong anak. Bisaya na dako ang akong anak. Umuuwan na daw, umuuwan.